Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the most insightful and unbiased reviews on the latest tech and appliances. Today, we're taking a close look at the Eureka RapidClean Pro NEC 1A6 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. This lightweight, rose-red vacuum promises a lot of convenience for your hard floor cleaning needs. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Eureka RapidClean Pro is designed for quick, efficient cleaning with minimal hassle. At just 5 pounds, it's impressively lightweight and easy to maneuver, which makes it a good option for anyone looking for a vacuum that won't wear them out during use. Powered by a 25.2-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free runtime, so you can get a decent amount of cleaning done without needing to recharge. For those times when you need a little extra power, the vacuum features a max mode, activated through fingertip controls. This increases the suction, making it ideal for cleaning carpets or rugs that might need a bit more oomph. One of the standout features is its easy rest nook, which allows you to prop the vacuum up on countertops or furniture when you need a break. This is a simple but thoughtful design touch, making it easier to take pauses without worrying about the vacuum tipping over. Another thoughtful feature is its under-furniture reach. Eureka has shifted the dust cup to the front, allowing the vacuum to lay flat and reach areas under beds, sofas, and other furniture with ease. A big win for those hard-to-reach spots that often get neglected. In terms of usability, the LED headlights are a game-changer. They cast bright beams of light on the floor, illuminating dust and debris that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. Whether you're cleaning in dimly lit corners or underneath furniture, these headlights make sure you don't miss a spot. But what about the actual cleaning performance? With 150 watts of power, this vacuum does an excellent job on hard floors, picking up dust, dirt, and smaller debris with ease. It's also designed for quick and efficient carpet cleaning. However, while the max power mode gives it the extra boost needed for thicker carpets or rugs, it might not be as effective as larger, more powerful vacuums when it comes to deep cleaning embedded dirt. Still, for most day-to-day tasks, this vacuum does the job admirably. As for pet hair, the RapidClean Pro handles it fairly well on hard floors and low-pile rugs. But if you have pets with long, shedding fur, you might notice some hair left behind, particularly on thicker carpets. The design is simple to empty, with a dust cup that's easy to remove and clean, though you might need to empty it frequently if you have larger cleaning sessions. The vacuum operates at 78 decibels, which is on the higher end of the scale for stick vacuums. While it's not deafening, it might be a bit loud for some, especially during extended use. However, for the power it provides, it's a manageable noise level, and if you're used to traditional vacuums, it shouldn't be much of a concern. Now let's talk about its build quality. The RapidClean Pro feels solid but not overly heavy, which is great for portability. The plastics are sturdy but lightweight, and the overall design gives off a premium feel without being too bulky. The attachments, which include a crevice tool and upholstery brush, are functional but basic, offering enough versatility for different cleaning tasks like furniture or tight corners. The vacuum also stores easily, taking up minimal space, which is a plus if you're working with limited storage. In terms of maintenance, the Eureka RapidClean Pro is fairly easy to maintain. The filters are washable, and the brush roll is simple to clear, even if long hair or pet fur gets tangled. The dust cup is easy to empty, and the lightweight design ensures that you won't break your back trying to clean or maintain it. Given the price point, this is a vacuum that offers solid value in terms of ongoing upkeep. When considering the price, the Eureka RapidClean Pro offers great value for money. It's not the most powerful vacuum on the market, but it excels in convenience, ease of use, and portability. For those with small to medium-sized homes, especially with a lot of hard floors, this vacuum is a solid option. It provides reliable suction, a thoughtful design with under-furniture reach, and good overall cleaning performance. However, if you have a large home with thick carpets, or if you need something with more sustained suction power, you might want to consider a higher-end model. If we compare it with some of the competition, there are a few vacuums in this price range that offer similar features. For instance, The Shark Rocket corded stick vacuum offers consistent suction, but it's corded, which might limit its portability compared to this cordless model. On the other hand, the Dyson V8 Absolute offers more powerful suction and greater versatility, but it comes at a significantly higher price point. The Eureka RapidClean Pro stands out for its balance of performance, affordability, and ease of use for most cleaning tasks. As far as build quality goes, the RapidClean Pro holds up well for its price. While it's not the most rugged vacuum on the market, it's built to last for the duration of its expected lifespan, with minimal signs of wear during regular use. Maintenance is straightforward, and as long as you follow the recommended care instructions, you can expect it to perform well for years to come. In terms of customer support, Eureka has a solid reputation for responsive and helpful service. Their warranty is straightforward, and they tend to handle issues like motor failures or parts replacement promptly. While we haven't had any personal experiences with support for this specific model, Eureka generally stands behind its products, which is reassuring. So who is this vacuum best suited for? The Eureka RapidClean Pro is perfect for those with smaller homes, apartments, or people who primarily need to clean hard floors. It's also a great choice for those looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use cordless vacuum that can tackle quick messes without the hassle of cords. While it's not the most powerful vacuum on the market, it's a solid, convenient option for everyday use. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. And if you've used this vacuum, share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching. And remember, whether it's a messy floor or a stubborn pet hair, we've got the inside scoop right here on Reviewsinside TV.